y'all, Darla here with Growing Tropical, and I am very excited to be doing this video tonight for you guys because of two reasons actually. The first reason is this table that I've got sitting right underneath me. This is a Gorilla platform ladder, and the first time that I saw it, I fell absolutely in love with it. Actually, I have to give a shout out to Laura over at Garden because she was doing a video not long ago here where she was demonstrating a lot of Gorilla ladders, and when I saw that this particular ladder on her channel, I thought, oh my gosh, I have to have it. So I immediately went in and I ordered one, and it came in just the other day, and so it is a perfect ladder for me to be able to do much what I'm doing right now. But if you guys like this ladder, it is a platform ladder from Gorilla Ladders, and it goes from 20 to 30 inches. I don't want to get all caught up in the semantics of this ladder. If you guys are actually interested in it, I'm going to go ahead and drop more details about the ladder and a link to where you can actually purchase it. But anyway, moving on, the second reason I'm very excited about this video is because I'm making the first fall container of the year, and so it makes me very, very excited. I live here in South Florida. I'm a Zone 10, and trying to get pumped up for the fall is it's a little bit of a struggle, I'm not going to lie, because I am standing here sweating profusely. The humidity is close to 80%, and it's about 89 degrees out, and it is hot. But it's not going to stop me from making this beautiful fall container. So what I thought I would do is just go ahead and demonstrate for you guys some of the plants. I've got quite a few of them here. I may not use, all of them, or I may use all of them. I'm not sure yet. I thought what we do is we just kind of plant this up together. Let me talk about first and foremost what I have here on the table. This is a 20-inch container that I bought from Home Depot. I love this bronzy. Home Depot seems to be carrying a lot of these lately, where it's this very bronzy. They have the urns, they have the hanging baskets, and then they have these big, larger 20-inch containers as well. And I love the look of these, and I thought I would go ahead and get this larger 20-inch container because I thought it really looked very fallish, however you say that. But so anyway, this, like I said, again, this is a 20-inch basket that we're going to go ahead and start with. Now, I already went ahead and I put in my drainage holes because it's very important to make sure that you put drainage holes in any container basket that you're planting up. So what we're going to do is I've already went ahead and I added my potting mix into this basket or into this container. And what we're going to do is go ahead and we're going to start with a centerpiece. Now, I want for this container to be seen from all angles. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing one tall centerpiece. If for some reason you are, making a container basket that you're going to be putting like in a corner that's not going to necessarily be seen from, all the way around, you can actually your filler, I guess is what you'd want to say, or your tall plant, maybe towards like the back, and then you'd want to build like towards the front and then drape over. But in this case, this is going to be a basket that's going to be seen from all angles. So I'm going to go ahead and start with a centerpiece, and let me show you guys what I actually chose. Okay, so the first plant that we're going to start with is a purple fountain grass. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just put the tags up on this video, the top of this video. Instead of me just kind of droning on about it or whatever, you guys can read the tags and see the specifics on each one of these plants as I put them in. Let's start with this guy right here. This is the purple fountain grass, and if my husband edits the video right, he can put these tags up there for us so you guys can see. So anyway, let's go ahead, and we've got him all placed in the center here. And that looks really, really nice. One of the things that I love so much about the purple fountain grasses is they are so graceful, and they are just they blow so beautifully when we get our soft Gulf breezes, and as we go into the fall months and the breeze. Same thing with the palm trees that I'm under. I absolutely love the way they look at the garden when the wind is blowing. We can have 90-degree temperatures, and when that wind blows, it just makes the garden look very, very cool. And this purple fountain grass is one of those grasses that absolutely sways in the wind and looks absolutely beautiful. So anyway, purple fountain grass. And the next plant we're going to be putting in is we're going to go ahead and we're going to put in crotons. These guys are Petra Crotons. And we want to go ahead and squish the root ball up really good so I can get it in there. We're going to go ahead and put him about right in here. And now remember, I said to you guys that I wanted to make sure that we saw these from every angle. So I'm placing right around. I'm going to do two of these crotons. Let's go ahead and turn it around over here. Put him in, say about right in here. Making sure that we get the dirt all up, smashed in really nice so that there's no air pockets or anything. Okay, so we've got 2 of our Petra Crotons. Now the other plant that we're going to go ahead and use is the Purple Queen. I'm going to go ahead and slide this over just a little bit so that way you guys can see a little bit, or I can see you a little bit better actually, or you can see me, however that works. Okay, so this is a Purple Queen. We're going to go ahead and we're going to put him right in here next to the Petra Croton. And these colors are so pretty together. I love the yellows and the purples. It's so reminiscent of the fall, and I absolutely love it. And this purple fountain grass, I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but these bronzy, purpley looking strappy foliage really picks up the Purple Queen so pretty. It really, really does. So there's our, whoop, we have one that's broken there. You could actually stick that guy, I think, down in the ground and just kind of propagate him, but we're not going to do that today. So then the other one, we've got a second Purple Queen. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put him about right into here. And then I think I've got some Cressandra that are here. And I think I'm going to go ahead and tuck a couple of Cressandra in here as well. And again, I'm going to be putting the tags up. Now, what do I got growing in there? What is that? Looks like a little bit of mold or something. Doesn't look anything too bad. You got to be careful. We get such moldy conditions here. Look at the root ball on that. I'm going to go ahead and just take just a little bit of him off. Nothing too crazy, but let's go ahead and tuck him in up close. Whoops, I want you guys to be able to see this. It's really kind of hard for me to work backwards, but I'm going to do it so you guys can actually see this. Okay, so far we've got the Purple Queen, we've got 2 of the Petra Croton, and we've got the Cressandra. And I think I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put probably a second one in here. I'm going to go ahead and pop a second one up in here. And look at that system right there. Oh my goodness. He is really rooted. Ooh, he should really take off. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to probably put him about right into here on this side. So he's nice and he hugs the purple fountain grass. Okay. Okay, so now we've got a Cressandra here, and then we've got the other Cressandra about right in there. Now, I have an Alamanda. Where are my Alamandas? Here they are, right next to me. These are an Alamanda, and these are actually shrubs. You can grow these as shrubs, but I love putting stuff like this. Some of the larger things, I love putting these guys in like these containers because they really fill out beautifully. I'm going to take a little bit of soil out of here, and then I'll flip it back around so you guys can see. Bear with me 1 second. And remember, you guys can squish these root balls. Don't be afraid of root balls to where you can actually get these guys in here. So I've got a very small area. Matter of fact, I'm going to come around. I've got a very small area about right in here. And I'm going to tuck him right down inside here. Oh, I think that's going to be so pretty. Look at that beautiful flower. Isn't that gorgeous up against the purple? And of course the Cressandra, you can see he's getting ready to put on his spiky blooms, and they're orange, and they ought to just be absolutely gorgeous. But let me go ahead and let me get a little more soil in here. Whew, it is hot out here tonight. And then let's see, we're gonna go ahead, I think, and put, I think I'm gonna go ahead and put another one of these Cressandras. I'm gonna do a double Cressandra right over here. Oh, these root balls, they're amazing to me. How thick they are. Let's flip this guy around a little bit here. Dig a nice big hole here for him to go into. do double Cressandras. How about that? Oh yeah, I like that. That looks pretty. Looks really pretty. Now what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to work with these beautiful, beautiful marigolds. Aren't they gorgeous? I'm going to go ahead and just tuck them around. And let's see, I love the little packs you buy. They come so nice and neat and compact. I just love it. You don't really have to do this too much, but these guys are just so compact that I thought maybe you could just kind of rough the ends a little bit. I don't think it's really necessary, but let's go ahead and tuck this guy down inside here for a little impact. Let's put 2 of them actually down in here. Ooh, they are nice and rooted. I love that because that really gives the plant such a good start. So let me go ahead and make sure that I've got enough soil in here. And oops, there's my soil. Make sure you get it tamped down really, really well. So there's air in there. Looks really, really nice. Bring this guy over just a little bit. Ooh, that's looking really, really pretty. And then I think I'm going to go ahead and tuck a couple of more down inside over here. Really fill this guy up for just really big impact. Really tamp that soil down good. And one more right in here. Really kind of pull these guys a little bit towards the front a little bit. And then maybe some just around here. Go back up inside. Can you guys see that? I'm going to go back up inside here, a little closer to the fountain grass. Tuck him back in here really well. Making sure I get a lot of soil in this root ball. And then I'm going to go ahead and put another one right here in the You know what? I might be able to get a third one in there. Like I said, I love to cram stuff in. Sometimes people are like, oh my gosh, why do you cram so much in there? But I love the instant impact that it gives. I absolutely love it. And, oh yeah, I like that. That looks really, really good. Let's see here. Okay. All right. What do you guys think? Does that look good? Oh, look at this. That is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I love it. Oh, let's go ahead and do one more. Another one right in here. Fill up every little space and spot that is in here. It just looks nice and full. And then we'll put it back in. All right. I'm loving this. Oh my gosh, it looks so nice and really kind of gets you in the mood for fall. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So, you guys have it. Absolutely gorgeous fall arrangement. Now I think what I might do, I had gone to Michael's, and I picked up a couple of little picks. Let me see if I can find them right here. And fell on the ground, but that's okay. Let's see. I bought these little picks right here. They're just pumpkin picks, and I thought maybe if I had a place to put them, I might tuck them in. Why not? Let's just do it. This is a fall container. I've got one here, and then let's go ahead and put one over in here. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. That looks really nice. And then I got some of these guys too. I'm not real sure. What do you think? Should we try it? Let's try and see what these guys look like for just something a little extra. Sometimes it's really fun to add the faux along with the reel. Let's just look and see if this works. What do you guys think? Is that awesome looking? Just for a little impact. Oh my goodness. Wow, okay. I think I like it. I think I like it. I don't want to make it too crazy, but ooh, kind of pretty. It gives it a little bit of impact. Let's go around the side over here and see once. What are you guys thinking? You know, sometimes you do things and then later on you end up taking it out. Let's do a yellow one. I want a yellow one for here. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, what a beautiful container. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's add a couple of more, maybe something for over here. I don't want to get too nuts. What about another yellow one, you guys? Another yellow one will do it. Whoops. A double. What are we thinking? Do we think that that looks awesome looking? Oh, I absolutely love it. It's beautiful with the little pumpkins. I'm starting to really like this, you guys. It's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Maybe put another little yellow one over in here. All right. Hey, I love it. I absolutely love it. It's beautiful. What do you guys think? Again, I need to get myself a Lazy Susan so I can kind of turn it all around. But I think it looks good all in all. It's gorgeous. I am sweating my rear end off out here. I'm going to bring the camera in and let you guys see this just a little bit closer. Oh my goodness, it is so pretty. Look at the blooms on those marigolds. Aren't they gorgeous? Look at that beautiful deep red orange. Oh, that's gorgeous. And then of course you've got the purple queen and the Petra Crotons. And then all my little faux stuff that I've got tapped all around on the outside. The purple fountain grass makes a beautiful statement. Oh, I think all in all, I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. The Alamanda, when they start opening, look at the flowers. Aren't they absolutely gorgeous? Well, you guys, I think we did it. I think it looks really good. The first fall container, and I am super excited. Well, I hope that I didn't bore you guys to death and talk too much or whatever, but I really wanted to put this together and I really wanted to demonstrate my table. I'm super excited about my table again. Thank you, Laura over at Garden Answer, for the inspiration. Really appreciate that. So you guys, if you found this this video inspirational for your first fall container, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And if you're liking the content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So until the next video, you guys, bye for now.